Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Lavish. Now you guys know this is one of my favorite boxes. I don't know how much it costs. It'll be on the screen. It's around 40 bucks or something like that, but I always find that it's worth it. I mean, there have been a couple of off months here and there, or just a couple of off products here and there, but not enough to make me love this box any less. And so I 100% feel like it's worth the cost. And see, just real quick, what is new? So there is a giveaway going on that is linked down below. It is my birthday month, May. So you know how I told you guys that I haven't been spending frivolously in this time. However, this is my birthday month. So, and since we had to cancel our trip to Jamaica, we basically have vacation money that is just kind of lingering. So I am going to splurge a little bit this month. I'll throw pictures up of stuff that I get along the way, but for instance, I just unboxed a Stitch Fix because it is my birthday month, and I do plan on keeping a few of those things, you know, kind of like that, but nothing too outrageous. I mean, I guess the most outrageous spending thing that I'm getting is a new laptop, and then I'm also getting one of those massage chairs where you sit in the chair and it massages you from your neck to your little tippy toes. And I am super excited. I have wanted that chair for years, but I have always opted to vacation because the chairs are really expensive. So in the past, I've always opted to go on vacation opposed to spending a couple of $1,000s on a chair. And since we are skipping a vacation this summer, I thought that that would be a great time to actually get the chair that I wanted. So let's see what else. We will be going out more this month, so there will be a couple of vlogs up here and there if you want to see what selling my birthday month in a pandemic looks like. For example, last Saturday we went for a road trip. That video will go up next Saturday or this coming Saturday. We went for a road trip and looking for a new place to get takeout because we can't look for a new place to eat. But anyway, let's get into Lavish because I have been rambling too much. I don't know what else is new. I'm feeling really good, so that's great. I just wish the weather would straighten up. We've had way more rainy days here than we've had nice days, and the rain absolutely kills me. The rain triggers migraines, it triggers back pain, neck pain, hip pain, all of that. So today is a beautiful day. I'm banging out some videos today just because I have the energy and the want to do it. But the rest of this week is supposed to be pretty crappy as far as weather is concerned. So we'll take it day by day. Open up Lavish, and ooh, and this is what I see. Some bumblebees, and this is, oh, this is April's. Okay, I was about to say it was May's, but it's not, it's April's. Uh-oh, something in here is broken or opened or leaking or something. Can you see all of the dust all over the card? Can you see that? I don't know if you can. There is a bunch of dust. So something in here is definitely broken. It smells really good in here though. So it does tell you everything that's in the box. I'm gonna kind of hold it over the box here so it doesn't like fall. But there are coupon codes there if you guys are interested in grabbing those for yourself. Just pause the screen. They don't give prices. Everything is made for this box, but it looks like we have a bee theme or a honey theme, so that's super fun. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out here is a lip balm. I am always down for lip balm. And it looks like this. I'm not going to open it or smell it because I have an overabundance of lip balm, and so I don't actually break the seals on them until I'm ready to use them. But it does smell, I can smell that it smells like honey through the packaging, so that's cool. And it is Rinse Bath and Body Company Pucker Stick and Honey Nourishing Long-Lasting Lip Balm, so that's cool. I'm always down for a lip balm. If you guys are wondering, I'm actually using this lip balm right now. And I actually do like it. It's, that's aloe. That's an aloe plant. So it has aloe in it, which is really good for your lips or moisturizing in general. So that's great. But this is the lip balm or lip mask or whatever you want to call it that I actually keep in my studio here. I definitely just keep random chapsticks hanging out in certain places of the house. Oh, I just got a hair in my mouth. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is this. Grace and Bloom Orange Blossom and Honey. It's hair perfume spray. That's interesting. All right, I'm gonna give it a little squirt just because I'm curious as to what it smells like. I would not put that in my hair. Someone else might like it. It's not... Okay, so the orange blossom is what you smell first, and I'm not digging that, but then you get an after scent of the honey, which sweetens it up and makes it... If you guys can hear that, my son is outside mowing. I apologize if it's too loud. There's 1 ounce here. I will probably just pass this along. It's not a super offensive smell, but it's just not for me. So I will pass that along. So the next thing I am pulling out is this High Honey Sugar Scrub. Oh, that smells so good. It smells, it's wet. It's wetter than usual. It's wetter than a normal sugar scrub. It's pretty wet. That's weird. I don't know if you guys can see how wet that actually is. Can you hear how wet it is? Anyway, I will keep it. I love sugar scrubs. I've just never heard of one being that wet or seen one being that wet before. And I have a lot of sugar scrubs. I need to wipe my finger off on something. Deadpool's like, nope, not on me. Let's see, maybe if I can just wipe it off on these little things. Okay. Smells good. All right, the next thing I'm pulling out here is, yes, okay, so this is what is crumbling and broken all over the place. I hate it when this happens to my bath bombs because it's really difficult to store them and I kind of have to use them right away. So let me do this. Okay, so isn't it so cute? It's a little bumblebee. Oh, a honey, well, it says it's a honeybee. Honeybee, and then the packaging is ripped open right there and you can see how the product is kind of crumbling. So, but it's so, so cute. And it does smell really good. Oh, it's so cute. Next time so what I'll do, and what I usually do in a scenario like this is wherever it's broken, I will just set it on my tub upside down to where the broken side is up and not spilling everywhere. But it's pretty broken, like it's broken right across its neck. I don't know if you can see that or not. And both the wings are kind of, looks like they're kind of cracked off, but it's so cute. Anyway, I'll use that almost immediately. Since it is broken, the next thing I am pulling out, oh, it's such a mess. Hold on. Oh, this is cute. So this is like a honey pot. What is it? And it is a bath bomb. Ah, this box is so messy. Look. And it actually has like little, I don't know what that is. I'm assuming maybe it's soap, like wax soap or something. Or maybe it's shea butter to go in the tub as well. But that is so cute because it actually looks like honey glistening in there. If you can see that, my lighting is going in and out because the clouds are going in and out. But that is so cute. I really do. I think that's really cute. And it smells really good. And then the last thing I am pulling out is a bubble bar, a Honeybee Bubble Bar. And it has glitter. Oh, it's so messy. But this is what it looks like. It just looks like a honeycomb, and then it has, that could be a little piece of soap, or that could be shea butter bar just to soak in the tub or whatever, but that's really cute. But that is a bubble bar. So what I usually do with bubble bars is just break, they don't get used often. Bubble bars don't get used often in my house just because I have a jet tub and the bubbles just kind of go everywhere. But if I do use them, I'll just break off like just a tiny, tiny piece. That's really all you need. And use it that way. But I should probably go through my bubble bars just because I don't really have the right kind of bathtub for it. So I should probably go through my bubble bars and maybe give some away just because I don't really use them. Just for an example, I've been breaking off of the same bubble bar since November. So that just kind of tells you how much use I get out of actual bubble bars. Anyway, that was Lavish. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope it took you out of whatever you're going through in the moment and just kind of come into my world for a little bit. And I hope you guys have a great day.